The display settings are actually pretty fundamental and easy to understand. The order page width is simply the number of characters wide that a product attribute is on the order page. So if you want to widen that out, just increase the number of characters. If you want it to shrink, decrease the number of characters. The output page width is the characters wide, or the distance on any specific output page. So if we navigate to a job that has any parts or output pages, this one's a little cluttered, but you can see it's this width here. It's the width of the output page. And then the padding in characters is you can put spacing to the left or to the right of that. And the text alignment is whether it is to the center, the left, or the right of the cell. And you're also able to make it to where that attribute starts a new row, and this only works on the item level, as you can see. So that's how you format the settings and get your display settings to work both on the order page and on the output page.